Unlike in the 1800s when cigarettes were invented, technology today can analyze the contents of aerosols. For more than 50 years, scientists have studied thousands of substances that can be found in aerosols and how they affect the human body. Vapour from nicotine vaping has been repeatedly analyzed, and it has been found to be non-toxic. It's important to compare Vapour to what it's replacing, which is cigarette smoke. Let's take a look at a couple of studies that analyze nicotine vapor. The threshold limit value, TLV, is the level of concentration of substances in the air that an employee can breathe in without harmful effects, working full-time hours over a lifetime. So the TLV is the highest safe concentration of a substance in the air and covers thousands of airborne substances. For this application, we'll give the TLV a value of 100%. In 2014, a study reviewed all of the scientific papers that analyzed the chemistry in e-liquid aerosols. From those papers, there were a total of over 9,000 measurements of substances. Many papers tested for the same substances. They concluded that 2 substances found in nicotine vapor were less than 5% the TLV. The rest were less than 1% of the TLVs. In other words, nicotine vapor in the air is nothing to worry about. In 2017, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services conducted a report of air quality in a vape shop. In the shop, employees vaped inside, and there was an indoor lounge where vapors hung out and vaped. They took air samples for over 30 hours. To quote them, concentrations of vaping-related chemicals in our air samples were below occupational exposure limits. The vast majority of the measurements found nothing at all, and what they did detect was minuscule compared to occupational exposure limits and threshold limit values. In 2018, Public Health England put it this way: vaping is a fraction the risk of smoking, at least 95% less harmful, and of negligible risk to bystanders. To learn more about vaping, visit VAEP.info.